Yes, peeps. So you don't know. Someone all the fire 777. So yeah. Season up some fish and put it down. So it's well marinated. Went on the road. The rain was falling, you know. So this is it. Yep. Yes, it's a brown. It's a snapper. And grunt. Yeah, so I'm gonna set it on now. So it's some steamed fish and rice. So check it out. Stay tuned and watch what going in the kitchen. So yes, peeps, this is how all the fire do it. Yeah. Set the pot warm a bit. And start putting the seasoning on my fish. Yep, good to go. This piece and this is skim, so I don't really use a pipe water cook. I don't use a pipe water cook with it. I use bottled water. Yeah. I use small one or I use big water from Jamaica. Yeah. So let's dip a little bit of water in it. Just to wash out the seasoning of it and put a bit in there, not too much because you know the fish will spring a lot of water. Yep, so that's okra and carrot and tomato and, you know, the whole works. So leave it like that. It go and simmer a bit. Yeah. See it? Yeah. So when I get the rice ready now, put on the rice. Rice go and steam down. Back on the road from morning. Hungry. Yeah. So just stay tuned. Yes, and as you can see, people. Yes, the rice is up on the fire and thing. So put a green pepper in it. Go and simmer down. Over here so you have the fish. Look at that. That is it. Okay. No, I'm gonna lie. Yeah. Yeah, steamed fish with okra, you know? So I'm turning fire all the way down. As a lot of fire don't really cook food. Food just need to slow cook. So I cook slow cook food, you know? Yeah. Yes, you know, there's a lot of some advertise for jasmine, but I do some jasmine rice, you know? And then in the fish I just put a bit of simple natural cooking oil. Yeah. So that is it. Yeah. So as the pot go on the fire and go and simmer down, everything will go and simmer down. Yeah, take a look around the backyard. This is the backyard, you know. Look. This is my backyard. So that is like a lake. And then over there you have two iguana. Zoom in if you can see that. Yeah, see for them there. Iguana chilling out. Iguanas. Yeah, so that is the backyard, you know? So here we are now, peeps. Food done cooked. See? Fish ready. Yep. That is it. Yeah. Fish well sorted out, looking proper. I'm going to some of my rice. Yeah. Rice well steam up with pepper on top. Mad. That is it. So stay tuned until I share some food as well. So this is it now, peeps. That's it. Yeah. This is what I'm going to mash up now. Yes, that's my steamed fish and rice, white rice. With the okra, you can see the hot pepper and tomato and carrot. Yeah. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Comment. One fire, all the fire. Love what you do what you love. Peace out.